Welcome to the world of woodworking, where creativity meets craftsmanship. As artisans, we have the unique ability to transform raw materials into functional and beautiful pieces that capture the imagination of buyers. Craft fairs provide an incredible opportunity to showcase our talents, connect with fellow creators, and engage with a diverse audience eager to discover unique handcrafted items. However, navigating the craft fair landscape requires not just skill in woodworking, but also a strategic approach to ensure your designs resonate with customers and sell quickly. In this video, we will explore rapid-selling woodworking designs that can lead to success at craft fairs. We'll delve into essential aspects such as understanding market demand, emphasizing unique craftsmanship, and creating an engaging booth experience. By aligning your offerings with current trends and focusing on quality, you can attract more customers and maximize your sales potential. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just starting out, these insights will help you navigate the craft fair scene and turn your passion for woodworking into a thriving business. Let's embark on this journey to craft fair success together. Thank you for joining us on this woodworking journey. We hope you found the insights and tips shared in this video valuable as you explore the world of craft fairs and discover rapid-selling woodworking designs. Remember, the key to success lies in understanding your audience, showcasing your unique craftsmanship, and creating an inviting atmosphere that draws customers in. If you're inspired to take your woodworking to the next level, we encourage you to stay engaged with our content. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips, project ideas, and expert advice. We love hearing from you. So please like this video and share it with fellow woodworkers or friends who might be interested in crafting their own success at craft fairs. Your support helps us grow our community, and we can't wait to continue this journey with you. Stay tuned for more exciting content. And let's make beautiful things together. Understanding market demand. To achieve success at craft fairs, it's crucial to understand market demand. This involves researching current trends in woodworking and identifying what types of projects resonate with consumers. Pay attention to seasonal variations, local interests, and emerging styles that capture the attention of buyers. By aligning your creations with market demand, you can ensure that your offerings are relevant and appealing, increasing your chances of quick sales. Emphasizing unique craftsmanship. Unique craftsmanship can set your woodworking projects apart from mass-produced items. Focus on developing a signature style that reflects your artistic vision while showcasing the natural beauty of the wood. Experiment with different techniques, finishes, and combinations of materials to create one-of-a-kind pieces. When customers see the distinctiveness in your work, they're more likely to be drawn in and make a purchase, as they appreciate the artistry involved. Quality over quantity. Prioritizing quality in your woodworking projects is essential for building a successful reputation. Buyers are often willing to pay more for well-made items that demonstrate durability and attention to detail. Invest time in perfecting your techniques, selecting high-quality materials, and applying thoughtful finishes. Highlighting the quality of your craftsmanship in your marketing can help establish trust and encourages customers to choose your products over cheaper alternatives. Creating a cohesive brand identity. A strong brand identity can significantly enhance your visibility at craft fairs. Develop a cohesive brand that reflects your woodworking style and philosophy. This includes designing a memorable logo, using consistent colors and fonts in your signage, and crafting a compelling story about your journey as a woodworker. A well-defined brand helps create a connection with customers and can make your booth more recognizable, fostering loyalty and repeat business. Effective marketing strategies. Utilizing effective marketing strategies is crucial for attracting customers to your booth. Leverage social media platforms to showcase your work, share behind-the-scenes content, and announce your participation in craft fairs. Engage with your audience through posts, stories, and comments to build relationships. Additionally, consider using email marketing to keep potential customers informed about new products, promotions, and upcoming events, driving traffic to your booth. Engaging booth design. The design of your booth plays a pivotal role in attracting customers. Aim to create an inviting space that showcases your woodworking projects effectively. Use various display techniques, such as varying heights and organized arrangements, to draw the eye and encourage exploration. Incorporate natural elements and thoughtful signage that communicates your brand and products. A well-designed booth can create a welcoming atmosphere that encourages customers to linger and browse. Pricing strategy. Developing a thoughtful pricing strategy is essential for maximizing sales while ensuring profitability. Research similar items at craft fairs to gauge competitive pricing without undervaluing your work. Consider the time, materials, and craftsmanship involved in each project when determining prices. Offering a range of price points can also attract a broader audience, allowing customers with different budgets to find something they love. Seasonal and thematic offerings. Creating seasonal or thematic woodworking projects can boost sales during specific times of the year. Consider developing items that align with holidays, events, or trends relevant to your target market. Seasonal offerings often attract impulse buyers looking for unique gifts or decorations. By tapping into seasonal demand, you can create urgency and excitement around your products, leading to quicker sales at craft fairs. Post-fair relationship management. After the craft fair, maintaining connections with customers is essential for long-term success. Collect contact information, such as email addresses, to keep customers informed about new products, promotions, and future events. Engaging with customers post-event can cultivate loyalty and encourage repeat business. By continuing the conversation and nurturing these relationships, you can build a solid customer base that supports your woodworking business long after the fair ends. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and hope you found the information helpful and inspiring for your woodworking journey. If you enjoyed the content and want to see more tips, project ideas, and insights, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us continue creating valuable resources for the woodworking community. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or fellow woodworkers who might benefit from our tips. Together, we can grow a vibrant community where we all learn and thrive in our craft. Stay tuned for more exciting content ahead.